So does morality really need a personal God? It's a huge question, right?
You've probably heard this one before, but it's way more complex than it sounds.
All right, let's actually break down the logic behind that claim.
On paper, the argument looks pretty clean. It seems to lead straight to God.
But here's the catch. Every single step is hiding a pretty big assumption.
Okay, so let's just grant the first part. Let's say objective moral truths exist.
But does that automatically mean they have to be commands from someone?
Think about it. A lot of facts are just true. No intention needed.
It's kind of like math. 2 + 2 = 4. You don't need a mathematician for that.
And once you see that, well, it pretty much changes the entire conversation.
So we're not just asking if morality exists anymore. That's not the point.
The real question is, does it need authority to exist? That's a whole different game.
And this gets to a key difference, the idea of grounding versus commanding.
See, morality might need a foundation, a grounding, but that doesn't mean it needs a commander.
So, even if the existence of morality proves something,
You still have to show exactly what it proves, and more importantly, why.